Good evening, sir. This is our video reporting about compartmentation and how this affect watertight integrity. Introduction. Watertight integrity is paramount in structures composed to the risk of flooding, particularly in maritime vessels and offshore platforms. Maintaining the integrity is crucial for safety, preventing catastrophic failure and ensuring operational viability. A case strategy employ achieve and maintain watertight integrity is compartmentation. This report will explore the principle of compartmentation analysis, its impact on overall watertight integrity is a structure. Ang katatagan ng tubig ay nagkapahalaga ng mga instruktura ay may panganib na lalo na sa mga sasakyan padagat at plataporma sa dagat. Ang pagpapanatili ng katatagan ito ay mahalaga para sa kaligtasan, pag-iwas sa malawakang pagkasira at pagtiyak na pagiging maasahan na operasyon. Compartmentation principle. Compartmentation involves dividing a structure into multiple independent compartments using watertight barrier, most commonly bulkhead and deck. These barriers are designed to restrict the movement of water within the structure, preventing widespread flooding in the event of damage to the hull or other structural components. Effect compartmentation require carefully consideration. Ang kompartamento ay nagsasangkot ng paghahati ng isang struktura sa maring malalayang kompartmento gamit ang hadlang na hindi tinatago ng tubig, kadalasang bulkhead at mga kubyerta. Bulkhead design and construction. Bulkhead must be robustly constructed from materials capable of withstanding significant water pressure and impact. First, that design should be incorporated features that minimize the risk of leakage, such as effective sealing system and robust attachment. Disenyo at konstruksyon ng bukid. Ang mga bukid ay dapat na matibay na itinayo mula sa mga materyales na kayang makatiis ng malaking presyon ng tubig at puwersa ng epekto. Compartment size and arrangement. The size is arrangement of compartment are carefully calculated to limit the volume of water that can enter in the event of breach. Smaller compartment minimize the impact of loading, allowing the vessel or structure to maintain float and stable. Sukat at ayos ng kompartamento. Ang sukat at ayos ng mga kompartamento ay maingat na kinakalkula upang limitahan ang dami ng tubig na maaring makapasok kung sakaling may sira. Watertight doors and access point. All access points between compartments must be equipped with watertight doors or hatches designed to be quickly and effectively closed in the event of an emergency. Regular maintenance and testing are crucial to ensure their viable operation. Mga pintuan at daanan ng hindi tinatagos ng tubig. Ang lahat ng mga daanan pagitan ng mga kompartamento ay dapat na may mga pintuan o mga hatches na hindi tinatago ng tubig na dinisenyo upang mabilis na epektibo maisara kung sakaling may emergency. Material selection. Material must be selected based on their ability to withstand the effect, environment condition, and potential loads, maintaining their watertight properties over time. Pagpili ng material. Ang mga materyales ay dapat piliin batay sa kakayahan nitong makatiis sa mga tiyak na kondisyon ng kapaligiran at mga potensyal na karga, na pinapanatili ang mga katangian nito na hindi tatago ng mga paglipas ng panahon. Impact of compartmentation on watertight integrity. Effective compartmentation significantly enhance watertight integrity. Damage control, limiting the extent of loading to single or a small number of compartments, thus preventing the overall structure from become overwhelmed. Ang mabisang kompartamento ay lubos na nagpapahusay sa katatagan ng tubig sa pamamagitan ng stability, maintaining buoyancy and stability even with significant water ingress into one or more compartment. Pagkontrol sa pinsala, paglilimitan sa lawak ng pagbaha sa isa o ilang kompartamento ay kaya't pinipigilan ang paghalatang struktura ng mapuno ng tubig. Safety, providing safe areas for crew and passenger to evacuate to in case of emergency. Katatagan na pagpapanatili ng pagkalutang at katatagan na may malaking pagpasok ng tubig sa isa o higit pang mga kompartamento.
Factors affecting watertight integrity beyond computation. While computation is crucial, other factors enforce the watertight integrity of a structure. Habang mahalaga ang kompetisyon, ang iba pang mga salik ay nakaka-impluwensya sa pangkalahatang tatagan ng tubig ng isang struktur. Material degradation, corrosion, and where can compress the structural integrity of beacon and other watertight computation over time. Pagkasira ng materials. Ang pagkasira, pagod at pagkasuot ay maaaring makakompromiso ang integridad ng structure ng mga blockhead at iba pang mga bahagi ng hindi tinatagos ng tubig sa paglipas ng panahon. External damage, corrosion. grounding, or other impacts can create present the hull or other watertight barriers. Panlabas ng pinsala, ang mga banggaan, pagkabagon o iba pang mga epekto ay maaring lumikha ng mga sira sa balat o iba pang mga hadlang na hindi tinatagos ng tubig. Maintenance and infection. Regular infection and maintenance are critical for identifying and rectifying potential weakness before they compromise watertight integrity. Pagpapanatili at inspection. Ang regular na inspection at pagpapanatili ay mahalaga para sa pagtukoy at pagwawasto ng mga potensyal na kahinaan bago pa nakapumiso ang katatagan ng tubig. Conclusion. Compression is a fundamental principle in ensuring watertight integrity in a structures susceptible to shielding by correctly designing and constructing watertight compartments using informative materials and implementing robust maintenance protect the risks of atrophic folding can be significantly mitigate. However, it is crucial to remember that compression is only one aspect of a comprehensive itself. Impact to watertight integrity, regular inspection, proper maintenance, and consideration of other factors. Maintenance of higher essential for maintaining safety and operational reliability.